Hello everyone, this is HammerTron here with a new review video for you. This time I am reviewing the Safari Ltd. Wildlife Collection Gray Wolf. This is set number 112689, and this figurine was first molded in 2012. Now, as a wildlife collection figurine, this is larger than the more common Wild Safari collection by Safari Ltd. This figurine came with a tag wrapped around the neck. It was wrapped around the neck with this piece of plastic. And here is the tag, Safari Ltd. Gray Wolf, with some basic information inside and some manufacturing information on the back. Now the back of this tag said 2011, however the figurine itself says 2012. Now it does not say Wildlife Collection here on the tag or the figurine, but at the Safari Ltd. webpage, safariltd.com, they have more information about the figurine, and they state that it is part of the Wildlife Collection. Let's take a look at the dimensions of this figurine. From the nose to the tail, it looks like it is about 5 inches long. With the head tilted to the side there and the snout sticking out like that. The figurine is about 2 inches wide. And at the highest point, at the ear up there, it looks like it is almost 4 3/4 inches tall. Let's take a look at the sculpting detail of this figurine. Now, what I notice is it has a lot of fur textured into the sculpt here. So I appreciate all the extra work they took to make the fur show up in the figurine. And I also like the painting that they've done to show the different colors of the fur of the gray wolf. Now on the bottom there is some manufacturing information where it does say 2012. Now what I like is the paws. The bottom of the paws all have some detail sculpted into them, so it's not smooth. Each of the black pads and the toes there is it sticks out more than the white part. And at the end of each paw there are some claws here, so just a little bit of extra plastic sticking out to represent the claws, especially the two middle ones. These are more prominent, so they've done a nice job on all of these here, on all 4 paws. Now I like the eyes there. However, if we look carefully, I don't think both of the eyes are looking at the same thing. This eye looks like it's going more straight ahead, And this one looks like it's looking to the side just a little bit. Now, one slightly odd thing about this sculpt here is right here. It just seems like there's a strange little gap in the sculpt. Now, I'm not sure if that was intentional to represent the fur sticking out and leaving a little bit of a gap here. Now, I'm not sure how long the fur should be all over the gray wolf. So maybe if it does turn its head, there will be slight gaps where some of the fur is sticking out this way and the other fur is sticking out this way, leaving a gap in there. Now, what I also like about this larger figurine is it seems to be very hard throughout the whole body. As I squeeze here, I can't squish it in. So it seems like a very solid figurine. Sometimes I think with the larger scale wildlife collection, they seem to be just a little bit hollow, but this one's not hollow, so I can't squeeze it in there. What's also nice here is that it seems to be very stiff and hard. I cannot really bend this tail here. Now if I squeezed really hard, I think I could squeeze in the legs here, but I don't want to squeeze that hard. So, what I also like about this larger scale wildlife collection from Safari Ltd is that it is larger. So, it's more easily noticeable from across the room if I want to look at it. Now I'd like to compare this with another figurine I have already reviewed, and that is the Safari Ltd Wild Safari Grey Wolf figurine. Now that's the more commonly available figurine, the more commonly available size that you'll see most often in stores or zoos. So you can see that the wildlife collection is much larger. So there it is. This is the Safari Ltd Wildlife Collection Grey Wolf. Thank you for watching my video. Please like the video. Please leave a comment below the video. I read all of the comments. And please subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my future reviews, where I review animal figurines from different companies. Until next time, everyone, bye.